postmortems are the most interesting things to read. That's actually, there's an interesting parallel to that, is the experimental airplane community. Experimental airplanes are airplanes that are at least 51% built by the pilot itself. That's the rule. So if you want to build an airplane for you, that's fine. You can do that. If you crash with that thing, it's more or less your problem unless you damage somebody else. And these people did the same thing. They have basically certified mechanics that have learned a lot and that volunteer to look at your airplane before you start to fly it, or if you design the airplane, to look at your basic design and start to talk with you about, okay, maybe the brakes are not good or the flaps are not good or whatever. So we need the same kind of process, only more advanced. As I said, post-mortem analysis. In airplane building, they say every single rule in these airplane building manuals is written with blood, literally. We hope to avoid it, so sweat would be enough, it must not be blood. Okay, so of course we have the internet. We can set up a wiki, set up a mailing list for that. We will have talks and reports. I'm not yet at the point where I can say, okay, this is the website, let's go, let's do it. So we will do some work at Motodrone, where we have these little flying quadrocopters. We're doing similar work in the area of electrical-driven bicycles, which is basically the same thing. We have now powerful lithium batteries, we have motors that are really big, we have efficient motor controllers, and we can build bicycles that go 50 kilometers per hour without you doing anything, which is kind of risky, which we probably shouldn't do. So, but what's the process of getting there that we can go at least 25 safely? So, and we're trying to do the same kind of process there, basically exchanging information, finding out what went wrong, exchanging blueprints, keeping it as open as possible. Okay, that's basically the end of my talk. I'm even in time, wow. I'm open for discussion and questions, thanks.
Why is this one? This one's working as well. Any questions? Right.
Thank you. I was wondering, while researching that, if you found out if, for example, US military or any other entity is producing such autonomous systems like the UAVs and stuff, are they discussing the ethics and safety things publicly?
There is, as far as I know, I found 3 research groups in the military context that are trying to build rule sets for robots that basically incorporate the rules of war, basically don't shoot prisoners, stuff like that. And they're thinking about it under a number of aspects. One of them is not letting the robots run out of control and building systems in that they can basically run without getting too much bad press.
But also more under the can it be insured context.
Yeah.
Any more questions? Okay.
Okay, then thanks.
All right, thanks a lot.